Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, once again IELTS trainer from Lahore, Pakistan, and I'm going to teach you about IELTS listening. I've received a lot of messages on my WhatsApp and I've read a lot of comments, many comments on my YouTube videos, and many of you were asking me to make videos on listening. One of my students, actually I call you all my students because you're my students. One of my students said, "Sir, please don't ignore listening. I think you are angry with listening and all that." Now I'm going to make listening videos, and I'm going to follow the same style with which I made videos on reading. So we will solve the test together and then we'll see what is going to happen. So I'm going to make this video section by section. There are 4 sections in one test, so there are going to be 4 videos, and then section by section you'll be able to see that. Before each section I will read the questions, and while reading the questions I'll give you the tips. Then I'll play the audio, take the test myself, and after that we will check the answers together. Alright, so let's take a start with the first test, and this is section 1. Let's start. Okay, so now let's see, it's section 1, questions 1 to 10 and questions 1 to 4. Complete the notes below. Write no more than 3 words. So you got to just notice that no more than 3 words. We've got Italia breaks, example is there, and this example will help you understand the nature of audio. Name John, first name is given, last name is missing. Mobile number, code is given, last number is missing. Number of people is already given. So information which is already given, that will help you keep track with the audio. After that, holiday length, it can be in weeks or in months or in days. And Hotel Scotland star, dash star means it's 2 star, 3 star, 4 star and all that. After that we are here. We've got choose 2 letters A to E. Now, which 2 things about Hotel Scotland are mentioned? Which 2 things about Hotel Scotland are mentioned? They will talk about all the things, but about Hotel Scotland they will talk about 2 things. So which 2 things are mentioned? You've got to just write them here. Let's just go on. After this we've got questions 7 to 10. No more than 3 words and or a number. Now and or a number means number also counts in words, right? So the departure date is, it's a date. The holiday excluding insurance costs, and there is a sign of pound, it means it's the amount. Holiday excluding, this is important. They might tell you including insurance or excluding insurance. The discount is dash percent. Percent means it's a number again if booked before 17th February. The booking reference is also a number, so there is going to be a number over here. Now I play the audio and we take this test.
Section 1. You will hear a man telephone a travel company to book a holiday. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 4. You will see that there is an example which has been done for you. On this occasion only, the conversation relating to this will be played first.
Good afternoon. Italia breaks. My name's Margaret. How can I help you?
Hi. I'd like to book a short break in Italy. Hotel and flights combined.
Anywhere in particular?
Yes, Venice if possible.
The holiday destination is Venice, so Venice has been written in the space. Now the test will begin. You should answer the questions as you listen, because you will not hear the recording a second time. Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 4.
Good afternoon. Italia breaks. My name's Margaret. How can I help you?
Hi. I'd like to book a short break in Italy. Hotel and flights combined.
Anywhere in particular?
Yes, Venice if possible. We've been looking at some of your brochures, and I want to check if you have any special deals.
Right. Let's have a look and see what we've got. Right. Okay. I've got the screen up. Can you just give me a few personal details?
Sure.
First, can I just take your name, please, and a contact telephone number?
Certainly. It's John Framlington. That's Framlington. And I'll give you my mobile number. can't always remember it. Yes, here it is. It's 07987 441192.
441192.
That's it.
And how many people is it for?
Just 2 adults.
Okay. Any particular price range?
It's our first wedding anniversary and we...
Congratulations.
Thank you. So we wanted somewhere nice, but not too expensive. We would like to make it something to remember. Maybe in the medium price range.
Okay. How many nights do you plan to stay?
5 nights only. That gives us plenty of time to do sightseeing and to relax.
Right. That's 5 nights only. And what type of hotel?
We initially thought of going for a 5-star, but that might be too expensive. So we've been looking at 4-star hotels.
We've got quite a few in our brochure, but the one I would recommend is the Hotel Scotland. It's 4-star, and I know there are rooms available because I have just made a booking for another client there.
I didn't notice that one. I don't know how I didn't see it.
It's easy to miss them. I've also stayed there myself, as we sometimes have to go and check out the hotels. And of all the ones I visited, this was my favourite.
Oh, right.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 5 to 10. Now listen and answer questions 5 to 10.
What's the hotel like?
It has a courtyard for breakfast. It's got 50 rooms. It's just been renovated, and so it's very stylish.
Is it in the brochure?
It's on page 63.
Ah, yes. I can see it's right next to the railway station. But what appeals to me most of all is that the hotel's very convenient for all the water buses. And the idea of having a terrace with the room, I really find very appealing. These are big pluses.
It's probably the most central hotel we have. You might think it would be a bit noisy as it's in the main commuter area and a place where tourists go. But from experience, I can assure you the hotel is very quiet. Most of the rooms are facing away from the main thoroughfare. Can you tell me when you'd like to leave?
The 17th of March. Coming back on the 22nd.
Okay. I'll just check again if there are places available. 2 adults sharing. Hotel Scotland. Yes, that's gone through.
Okay. And how much is the break, including flights?
There's a special rate at the moment because it's off-season. For 5 nights, let's see, it's £716 for a double room and flights. That includes airport taxes, but not insurance.
Each?
No, for 2 adults sharing.
That doesn't sound too bad at all. What reductions do you have at the moment?
Well, if you make the booking before the 17th of February, you get a further 15% reduction, subject to availability.
That's a big saving.
Yes, it makes the price very reasonable indeed. Do you need travel insurance?
Yes, I suppose we better had.
For 7-day cover for both of you, it's £17.88.
Okay.
Do you want to book today?
I think we should, but can I just check with my wife? Can you hold the booking for me?
I can hold it until 1 p.m.
Okay, that's fine. I'll get back to you immediately.
I'll just give you a reference for the reservation.
Okay.
It's FAPSJM15.
Thanks. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and definitely before 1 p.m. This is too good an offer to miss.
That is the end of section 1. You now have half a minute to check your answers.
Okay, fantastic. See that section 1 is always easy. In my next video, I'm going to tell you about section 2, so don't forget to watch that video as well. If you like this video, hit on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. Apart from this, I run 2 other channels, Asad Yaqub Vlogs and Asad Yaqub Languages. You can subscribe those channels as well. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best in IELTS listening, reading, writing and speaking. Take care. Allah Hafiz.